In this video, I'll show you how you can buy and sell on TradingView. Now, what you can do is come up here and find the stock that you want to buy or sell. Either press sell and buy up here, or you can do what I like to do. Right click and go to trade, create new order, and from in here, you can press buy or sell if you want to make a buy order or a sell order. Now, I like to do a market one, which is just gonna do it immediately when I place it. And then what you can do is add a stop loss or a take profit or both if you want. Type in the price you want to do it at. So let's say you want the stop loss to be at 238.66, which is around here. And the take profit, you want that to be, if you say this one, it's going to be around here. So that is how you can do it. Now you can zoom in if you want to make sure it is the correct one. And you can also hover like this. So you can see if you want your take profit to be exactly here, you can type in 239.70 here. Then simply press buy and then you have bought it. So that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.